Hello friends, welcome to Beatitude meditation. In this video, we will tell about meditation for beginners, how to start meditations step by step. I'll tell you in the last of this video. I will tell you some important things which you can do or not to do while doing meditation. And let's start. In the starting, you choose a place where you can sit calmly and comfortably. It might be sofa, it's on the bed, on a floor, on a carpet. It might be you can sit or lie down, but the important thing is you are comfortable and calm. So just be yourself comfortable in the position what you want to be, and just close your eyes slowly. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now concentrate on that very breath you take in. That means you inhale. Concentrate on it and concentrate on that very breath too which you exhale. Do it 2-3 times. Inhale the breath and concentrate on all over on that very breath. Exhale and concentrate on that very breath to exhale. Inhale with concentration. Exhale with full concentration. Now feel with each and every breath you inhale your inside, which you inhale, that brings all the positivity of universe inside you. All the peace of universe that takes inside you. All the happiness of the universe that takes inside you while you inhale your breath. And with each and every breath that you exhale, that brings all the negativity which is inside you, bring that out. All the sadness inside you, that exhale breath, throw it out. All the sadness, all the loneliness, all the thing which that let you down is bring out from each and every breath that you exhale. Now do it combinedly. With every inhale breath brings all the positivity inside you, and every exhale throw out all the negativity from you. Feel it by heart and by soul. Take a deep breath. With that deep breath, all the positivity of universe you inhale, and while you breathe out, all the negativity, all the sadness, all the negative elements which is inside you as bring out with that exhale. So deep inhale all the positivity, exhale all the negativity. Inhale all the positivity and exhale all the negativity. Repeatedly do it. Inhale all the happiness and exhale all the sadness from which is inside you. Do it repeatedly. Repeat this for 5 to 10 times according to your ability, your concentration, how long you understand, how long you can do it yourself. Don't force yourself. This is the tip which I want to give it to you, what to do while doing meditation or starting your meditation, or what not to do. First of all, don't force yourself. Don't force yourself to do something. Do for meditation or anything. Don't force while you're doing meditation. Do it for that point of time, for that timings which you feel comfortable, relax, and do it calmly. That will affect better. And the position of in which you are doing meditation doesn't matter. You can do it in any position which you feel comfortable. And initially you need a place that is silent or no one there for disturb you. And one more important thing that is very important for doing meditation initially: do not force your thought to stop. Do not force your mind to stop thinking. Just treated it like if you think something, then just come back on your breath. Don't force it anything. Then you go again on your thought, then bring it back on your breath. Do it initially. Thank you. If you like my video, if that helps you anyhow, then let me know in the comment box and subscribe me for another videos. Press the bell icon, like me too. Thank you so much.